This is a man right here that's dealt with a rusty bolt or 10 in his day.
You gotta treat your enemy with respect. Here we are, 3 episodes later, still no spring compressor.
We did it. When it's welded though and it has no movement.
So we partnered with eBay Motors for this project to buy a car and all of the parts off of eBay Motors.
I'm not saying we're gonna build a 10-second Donk, but we should try.
All right, so look, I finally got this thing mocked up, right? All the little tabs and stuff I was making yesterday, so today I'm gonna cut the brackets. Unfortunately, I don't know how to use that machine, so I gotta cut all these damn brackets by hand. So that's gonna take a bunch of time. What else we got, Dan?
I'm gonna mount the trans vinyl today, so the motor and trans will be sitting in place, and then I'll probably help Jamo if he needs help.
In 2 days, we're gonna get it started. We're gonna get it back down on the ground. In 2 days, get it started.
Fire it up.
Fire it up. If the headers don't show up, we're gonna fire it up with no header. Be real loud. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the plates cut out, and then you're gonna finish the tranny mount, and then help Jamo.
Easy.
Easy. 2 days.
2 days, no problem.
I overheard those guys say in 2 days they're gonna get this thing running. Wishful thinking. Anyhow, I got my injectors wired up. You can check it out. Got the primary and the secondary injectors all wired up. I'm gonna figure out where we're gonna mount the coils. Probably like right here. I'll wire that up and then do my sensors and start on the fuel system. Just right now I'm looking at this Holley brushless fuel pump, and I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna make a bracket for these coils. That's my task for today.
That'll work. Just a test piece. Just needs a little kick. We'll plate that. Done. That ain't going nowhere.
That's where we weren't going to.
Man, listen. By the end of the day, I'm gonna at least have these brackets in, right? And then, Hert said he wanna help me weld in, so I'm gonna let him weld a little, you know?
And Dan said he's gonna help me wire.
Yeah.
So we got 2 trouble. A rear end's gonna fall and a car that's gonna go on fire.
It's gonna suck. I'm gonna make something that fits right in here, like a little brace, you know, something like that, a little brace inside here, and it's done.
The history of the Ford 9-inch. Why was it originally designed? What makes it so strong? And why is it called a 9-inch? The Ford 9-inch was used in production from 1957 to 1986. After that, the 8.8 was introduced. Initially, the 9-inch wasn't designed for strength or performance. It was out of a necessity that the designers from the mid to late 50s wanted lower, sleeker cars, and to accomplish this, they lowered the floor pan. But when you do that, the center hump in the passenger compartment gets taller, and they didn't want that either. So they tasked the engineers to find a way to accomplish all the design cues they wanted and to make something you can actually drive. So the engineers offset the pinion gear on the ring gear lower. It's actually called a high point distance. But when you lower it, it actually provides more tooth engagement between the pinion gear and the ring gear, which makes it for the ability to handle more load and also be a much stronger assembly. Finally, why is it called a 9-inch? The ring gear is 9 inches.
See how my hair is? Nice and perfect.
I don't know where to get,
That's how my harness is. Nice and perfect. You want to see something f***ed up? Look that way. Look at that. Look at that.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm fucking shit.
yes, it's amazing. Done.
Got it?
Got it. I gotta make a little bracket in here, which I'm gonna do tomorrow after it's out, so I know how far the arm travels so it doesn't hit it. That's it. Well done.
All right, so in the first episode, I gave you guys my background in the donk culture, running Donk Box and Bubble magazine, but that really kind of all ends in 2009. So today, we're gonna jump on with Ree from Donk Planet, who's really been covering the culture ever since. Kind of get a little bit more idea of like what's happening in that world of donks and really just big rim cars. You got anything?
I'm just trying to bring Crocs to the donk game.
How do you know they're not already there? We'll have
Just
to
a
ask
wild
Ree.
guess. Just a wild guess.
Just a wild guess?
Yeah, just a wild guess.
Imagine we go to a donk event and everybody's got Crocs. Will you feel like you don't have a need there anymore? Or will you feel like you found home?
No, you gotta figure out how to be the alpha Croc.
Yo, Ree, what's up?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
So hey man, I wanted to catch up with you, talk about kind of what you're doing with Donk Planet, and also have you take us to school on what's been happening in donk culture for the past 10 years. Why don't you just give me a quick run on like how you got started with Donk Planet and like what you guys are doing now?
Cool. I started with Donk Planet back in 2013. I mean, I started Donk Planet basically based off the hobby thing, because I was building my donk back in late 2012, early 2013, and around that time Instagram came around, and I just started a page posting pictures of my car. When my car was in the shop getting built, page just started growing. So then I started posting pictures of other cars that was at that shop at the time. That's how we got where we at today. Then back in when I started taking seriously, I was like, you know what? Might as well just do a car show. And I did a car show in 2015 called Donk Day. And I've been doing Donk Day now since 2015. So that's where we at right now today, you know?
You're based in Miami, and it's crazy because, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it started in Miami. I know some people will argue that, but it feels like donk culture really started in Miami. But it's grown a lot. It's grown a lot in the past 15 years. Like, what do you think the biggest changes have been in the past 10 years?
I feel like the biggest change right now that's going on with donks right now is the whole frame off thing. Like back in the days where you could drop a donk and, you know, you didn't have to go frame off and get powder coated and put big brakes on the car and stuff of that nature. Back in the days, you know what I'm saying, you could just put a paint job in the interior, you slap you some wheels on, you know what I'm saying, you good to go. Oh yeah, the big change too is like the whole LS engine. People are going now, it's a lot less people with carbureted engines. You understand what I'm saying? So a lot of people got LS engines now. Like me, I got a carbureted motor in my 4-door, but eventually I plan to convert over to LS due to the whole carbureted fumes and stuff of that nature.
So let me ask you a question. Who do you think right now is doing it biggest in donks, like city-wise? Like what city you think is really showing up in terms of building the best donks? Other than Miami. I know you're probably biased being from 305, but where else?
No, I was gonna say Miami. That's easy. But we got Atlanta got some dope builds coming out. We got one person that I know that's building dope donks outside of Miami too is in Tennessee. Sandman.
Yeah, I know Sandman. He's been around for a long time. I mean, he definitely goes that extra step with like all the billet CNC stuff he makes and everything. It's really nice.
Yeah, he doing his thing. But man, I can't really, man. I ain't gonna lie, Miami building this dope as Donk. I know you said this.
I respect that.
You gotta
I
let him
respect
know.
that.
You gotta let him know sometimes.
Explain to us what you think the perfect donk is. Like, if you were gonna build the perfect donk, what's the ingredients? Like, what's that perfect car for you?
Okay, I'm building the 71 converter, for example. That's the perfect year. That's the best year right now to me. Got the bumpers with the fresh chrome. Got a candy paint job on there. I mean, I like pearls and base coats too, but nothing shine like candy paint. I would like to do my interior, but like with the original stitch pattern, have it squatted low in the back, have it sit real low. But the perfect wood size for donks is 6s. You know, you don't have to do too much modification. I ain't with all that. Back in the day, people used to put the 30s on the cars and cut the fender and all that. I ain't with that. I ain't trying to cut the body. So perfect wood size is 6s. Got you some peanut butter inside. As far as drivetrain wise, there's nothing to me like having a 71 donk and popping the hood and you got like a 2018 drivetrain. So you gotta have like, you know, that supercharged 2018 motor out of the SS Camaro or something like that of that sort, you know what I'm saying?
That covers it.
Yeah, I like it.
You got any other questions, Hert?
Nah. Oh yeah, I got a question. Anybody racing donks in these?
Yo, he had to back up. He had to back up. He was like, what am I looking at? Is that a yellow croc?
Nah, they won't let you racing that because I think when you get on the track got that glue on the, you step on the track.
Nah, that's why you lock them up. You see, you just lock them up and you're good.
I don't know if that's gonna help, man. That glue on that track is tough.
Yo, Ree, we appreciate you taking the time. Hopefully soon we come out and see you in Miami. You come out to LA.
I'm glad you guys got a donk, man. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see the turnout.
Same here. We're moving quick, so hopefully the car will be running in the next like 3 or 4 weeks, and then goes to paint, get the interior. So we should definitely have it done before the end of the year. So we'll be ready.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, man. Y'all take it easy. Be safe.
Anyway, give the boys at Donk Planet a follow. More donk stuff than you're gonna find anywhere else on Instagram. They just started doing more stuff on YouTube. So yo, if hot dogging is domestic ricing,
Hot dogging is domestic racing.
and ricing is Japanese ricing, and crowding is European ricing,
Okay.
what is donk rice? Is it a chili dogging?
I want to call it no.
Because it's got a little more spice on
No, we should call it cereal because all the rice donks.
Ooh, like all the original ones?
Yeah, have cereal.
We're all like cereal brands.
So we'll just call it cereal. That's a cereal donk.
Anyway.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Comment below. You tell us.
Just figuring the stuff out. And right now I'm just making a bracket to hold the coil packs. So I'm gonna pick these up here, and then this will sit somewhere about like here. I'll try and make it look good because it's right up top. So I'm trying to think of something fancy.
What this for? I don't know what that's for. What's it for?
What's the paper say? It's very simple.
Oh, they gave us bolts.
Yeah, well, we need those too. They're top and bottom. Do you want to put the diff on the jack stand?
No, I want to put the shock on too. Hey, I got an idea. You assemble the shocks. How's that?
All right, slide them over here. Could you be a little less aggressive?
You said sliding.
A little less aggressive would be nice.
How are you so sure that's the right size?
I'm not sure at all.
Well,
Just start drilling.
That looks way too big. The hole is way too big now.
What do you mean? Perfect.
That is not, that's way too big. That drill bit's too big. That one works.
Too late to apologize. This is your fault. I had it, and then you made me second guess myself, so I got another drill bit.
Yeah, but why did you check it first?
Because you started talking to me. You ruined my process, and now because of you have too big of a hole on one side. Next time, don't talk to me. What did you learn today? Don't talk to me.
Right there. Good.
Don't be a bitch.
Well, don't fucking hit me with a wrench.
It'll be an accident if I do. What did you do?
What do you mean what I did?
I didn't touch it. There's no bolt in there. You thought there was a bolt in there the whole time?
Yo, my head was right there.
I thought you knew there wasn't a bolt there. You knew that I had to take the bolt out to do this. It's been out. I didn't just take it out. The bolt's right here. It's been here the whole time.
Now put your fucking crock ass feet. Yes, that's how it goes.
Oh my God.
Got another box. Damn, I got a big box. Yay! You wanna see what's in it?
Yep. Put it
Damn!
on the thing.
Put it on the thing, make it look like something.
That's sick.
It looks complete now. Only, oh shit.
Think how cool that is. Part throttle, so you could drive it like a normal person, and then asshole mode.
What about this is normal?
What I'm saying, you see, look. Look, driving around town, go ahead. Normal human being. You see, you see a turbo Miata next to you, what do?
Get way.
Oh, darkness, my old friend.
All right, let me get this off, because I'm tired of holding, it's always hot.
What's the struggles over here?
No struggle. Who said we're having a struggle?
Because Soupy's face is all scrunched.
Everyone's always worried about my damn